important to know how does it spread, how to identify the patients with coronavirus infection active, and how to improve all the preventive measures in the dental office. I'm providing them some information about how to manage this kind of patients. I'm keeping in touch continuously with them, and I'm offering them some online courses so as to profit the time. I have now the opportunity of having time for studying, writing articles, making slide presentations, organizing my photographs of the patients, and in addition, I'm improving my communication with the patients through WhatsApp or Instagram.